Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Quest 2 step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Meta Quest 2 headset and the included accessories. Remove any protective films from the headset lenses and controllers. Plug in the charging cable to the headset for an initial charge. Download the Meta Quest app on your smartphone from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the Meta Quest app and log in or create a new Meta account. Ensure your smartphone's Bluetooth is turned on to connect to the headset. Turn on the Quest 2 by pressing and holding the power button located on the side. Follow the on-screen instructions in the headset to select your language. Proceed to pair your controllers by pressing the Oculus button on each controller. When prompted, look around your environment to set up your play area. Select whether you want a stationary or room scale setup. If you choose room scale, follow the prompts to define your play space boundaries. Use the headset to draw your boundary on the floor using your controller. Confirm your boundary to save your play area settings. Connect your Quest 2 to Wi-Fi by selecting a network and entering the password when prompted. Once connected, the headset will check for software updates. Follow any instructions to install updates if available. Once updated, you'll be taken to the home screen of the Quest 2. Explore the menu to familiarize yourself with the available options. You can customize settings like Guardian boundaries, audio preferences, and library management. To add games or apps, visit the Meta Quest store in the app or on the headset. Browse through available content and purchase or download what interests you. Afterward, return to the home screen to access your installed games and apps. Enjoy your new virtual reality experience on the Meta Quest 2. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.